Hey guys, Ben from BP Performance here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your front shocks on a 2014. It's a 7 through 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. This is a 14 two-door Sport. Same concept for all of them. I just did a video on my rears. If you'd like to look into that, the video will be down below. Pretty soon we also will be replacing this steering stabilizer. I'll show that in the video. They can get tricky. So pretty straightforward on this one. 18 millimeter. I think it's an 18 millimeter. I'll find out in a couple minutes. This is a 17 and this is a 16. These are OEM Mopar shocks, red shocks, crappy shocks. Always ride out. I live in the Rust Belt. I live in Pennsylvania. Ride out or blow out. They're kind of weak and busted, so we're replacing them with a set of Rough Country N3s. 0 to 3 inch lift shocks. Part number is 23143. If you put it down in the description. So I'll be starting off with this shock. A little coolant seepage there. Pretty easy. A lot of times these are in a really crappy spot. I have gear wrench ratcheting ratchets, and this is just, I just propped the wrench in there and left it on the shock tower. They break, these studs. So if it breaks, no biggie, you're putting a new one on, who cares? Honestly saves you time. Yeah, and I soaked these all down with not KBS, what did I use? PB Blaster. You can use PB Blaster, WD-40, Croil, whatever you like using. It all does the same thing. Just get a little bit of oil down in there before you start, and it'll make your life a little bit easier. This is definitely gonna break. As I said, they break pretty easily. Saves my life 10 minutes of time fighting these stupid not even tight. Probably what that bend is on the front end. Stupid lift kit. Stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. I use everything as a hammer. Easiest way. Everything is also a pry bar. Well, I guess not now. I'll have to get an actual pry bar. Out of my snap-on toolbox. And then a mid-size pry bar. Look. See again, stupid lift kit. So you know, okay. I guess it's frozen in there. stupid. Oh. Probably why it's not coming out. Somebody bolted it in. Makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna unbolt this, and now it'll come out. Never seen this stupid style of lift kit.
You okay?
Bitch, yeah. Hope I never see it again. But everybody likes cheaping out on stuff like this, so I probably will see another one. Come on. Let me get my extension. Am I seriously gonna have to take this stupid ass shock off? Whoever designed this kit, I'm gonna beat them. I'm gonna punch them right in the teeth. Because they're stupid. Oh my, seriously? Nothing can be the same. Everything has to be different on these kits. Okay, now I can get this stupid bracket off. It has no business being here. Have this kit. The bolt head seems to be a 14, the nut seems to be a 13. And then you can take this bracket off. And you know what you do with this bracket? Throw it right in the trash. It's a stupid kit that nobody should put on their cars because they're too cheap. Okay? Back to your regularly scheduled programming. Stud bushing on the top. Stud bushing on the top. Bottom.
Just one on the top, I guess.
Great.
What was that?
That was the upper bushing for the old shock.
Oh.
Yeah, this is always tricky on this side because this plastic piece in there, as you can see, I disintegrated it. There goes my washer. Thanks, hon.
You're welcome.
Probably drop it 6 more times. Okay. I don't understand what their philosophy was with this. The nut doesn't even... Make my life easier. Oh, aftermarket parts are my favorite. And these shocks, this upper nut is a 15. On the OEM, it's a 14. It's a 16. This kit didn't include new dust shields, and the old ones are cracked and destroyed, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. On these, I kind of tighten them. Until the shock starts spinning. Finger. Lord. I think I'm going to stop tightening them. I think it's probably okay. I think that probably will. And there goes that. I don't want to absolutely destroy these bushings. This upper one is like completely pancaked. So much fire on it. That's tight. Alright, so don't destroy your bushing, but make sure it's tight. You know, probably should put a little Loctite on that, but it is what it is. So, other left side is exactly the same as this right side, minus this stupid plastic piece. So I'm gonna get that one put together, and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. And I'll tighten that. Alright, so got them fully installed. This bolt's tight. This bushing is squished. Stupid bracket and stupid shocks. This bushing is squished, and this bolt's tight. Now, one thing I don't like about rough country is they kind of leave a lot out. Like, you couldn't have made it an option to get the dust shields. Kind of just didn't include them. I would have paid the extra $10 for you to get me some dust shields, but my other rough country shocks didn't come with them, and I don't really care, to be honest. A couple other things you gotta do in this Jeep. Definitely sway bar bushings destroyed. Not bushings, the end links destroyed. This bar will never come apart. If I want to ever get it aligned, I'm gonna have to replace that. And the steering stabilizer there is beat. So that's it for this. Front shocks replaced. Should be all good. Rear shocks as well. You want to check out my last video, it'll be down below. And that's it. If you have any questions, just comment it down below and I'll get back to you as best as possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.